arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to the exciting world of arbitration. Are you ready to dive deep and unwrap the mysteries of this age-old method of resolving disputes? Well, strap in because here we go. But hold on for just a sec. Please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. First things first, what is arbitration? At its core, arbitration is a private method of dispute resolution where two parties voluntarily agree to have a third party, called an arbitrator, decide their dispute. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that like going to court? Not exactly. While both involve a third party making a decision, there are some key differences. Court proceedings are generally public, involve a judge and possibly a jury, and follow a strict set of rules and procedures. Arbitration, on the other hand, can be more flexible, private, and usually is faster than going to court. Let us sprinkle in some stats to paint a clearer picture. Did you know that in 2020, studies showed that most arbitration cases were resolved in a matter of months, compared to court cases which could stretch out for years? Time is money, as they say. Another fun fact, in the same year, over 60% of businesses preferred arbitration over litigation. Why? Well, besides being speedy, arbitration can be more cost-effective and less formal. This makes it especially attractive for businesses that may have disputes in different countries. But arbitration is not just for businesses. Anyone can use it. Disputes ranging from employment issues to consumer complaints to family matters can be resolved using this method. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for disputes. In essence, arbitration offers a middle ground. It gives parties the chance to resolve their issues without the costs, formality, and publicity of court. It's a win-win for many. Before we wrap up, one last interesting tidbit. Did you know that ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Egyptians used forms of arbitration thousands of years ago? That's right. While the specifics have evolved over time, the concept of a neutral third party resolving disputes is not new. It has stood the test of time. To learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.